Hey everyone, welcome to Willa channel. Today I'll show you how to download the Nvidia control panel and drivers for Nvidia graphics cards. First, go to Google and search for Nvidia drivers, then click on the download link. We'll need to find our specific graphics card on the official Nvidia drivers page. For example, I have a GeForce RTX, RTX, but it's the 30 series. Click Find for the 3060. Choose your language, hit Find again, and you can download the appropriate drivers for your system. We need the Game Ready driver. Click Find, then Download. After downloading and installing the drivers, you'll see GeForce Experience and Nvidia control panel in the bottom right, or in the Start menu if you search for Control Nvidia control panel. That's all folks. Take care, good luck, and see you next time.